Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the network problems on this device. Simply go to settings. Now here you can see the option general. Tap on this one. Now scroll to bottom. Tap on the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on the option reset. So here you can see some reset options: reset all settings, reset network settings, reset keyboard dictionary, reset handwriting style, etc. So from here, to fix the network problem, select the option reset network settings. Reset. Now here enter your screen passcode. Tap on the option reset network settings. You can see this will delete all network settings, returning them to the factory default. So if you do this reset, it will not delete any of your personal information from this device. So it is very safe. Tap on now confirm the option reset network settings. Okay. Now just wait for a few seconds. The device is powering off. Now try to restart our device. So simply in this way, if you are facing any network related problems, you can easily fix using this step. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.